guys, what is up? This is Justin from the Scratchsteer here once again, and today I'm continuing maze how to make a good maze game in Scratch. I'm continuing it from a little while back. So I will leave a link to the description for that in the maze below, but link below in the description. I can't do this at all, but anyways, so I'm not sure. I will leave a link in the description below. Don't do English. So anyways, today we have our maze that we made a long time ago, and we have this little effect here. You see, it does this brightness effect, and then I have my maze here, and I forget the controls. So I can do that. I can do that. Okay. So see, as you can see, this is a basic ball maze. You know, no fancy things. And this all stops. It all ends there. It's all done. So you get the idea. It's just a basic, guide through. So now we're gonna do we're gonna have a second level. Second level would be great. So we're gonna make a new maze or something like that, okay? So we have one level here. So one of the things we're gonna do with this is, if you want to learn how this was made, check the videos in the description below. But anyway, so other than that, this is what I have. So the first thing we want to do is change. We want to make, so this thing here, I'm actually going to rename it. This is the maze, so it's a little bit clearer. So we want to make a new costume for the maze, and I'm going to call it level 1. We're going to make a new costume called level 2. And don't ask me why I had this, but I did. So what we're gonna do is we are going to do this. This is working so far. Not very perfect lines, but so actually, another thing I'm gonna do is how to do it if you have, so we have, let's get this. So we are slowly building our little maze. Okay, our pathetic, measly little maze. It's not working, so whatever. So we have our maze, level 2 maze. So far, we have this here. So we definitely want, when the green flag clicks, we want it to show, we want to switch to level 1. Level 1. Because then it'll do level 1. So let's see here. So let's just test this whole thing out. So now when we click here, it's at level 1, and I can just do the whole thing over again. Alright, so next what you want to do, and we're gonna make a little variable here. Make a variable called level. The beautiful variable thing. Level. This is a beautiful level. Alright, so next what we want to do is we are going to make, so we have our level counter there. We have our beautiful level. So what this thing is going to do, level is going to let us know what level we're on, and this will come in handy. So the first thing we want to do with this is we're going to set level to 0. One green flag click, set level to 0 before any of this. One of the things that I do commonly in a lot of my projects is that if I do any of it, if I do anything and I have a lot of variables going on, the first thing I will always do is every time I will definitely turn it, I will set everything to what I want it to be. Variables before anything else. That's for me, at least. So, next what we have here is we have, what the, sorry, brain fart. That was my brain farting. So, we have this maze here. So, next what we want to have is, when green flag clicks, and when I save game start, you want to set or change level by 1. Change level by 1. That sets level to 1. So now we say level, change level by 1. I'll say here, and level is 1. The level, it's level 1. Level 1, see? So now that we have that, so game start is, oh wait, we don't want that. So, we're going to have a little bit of complicated stuff here. So far, we only have one level. So this is where we're going to get into operators. This is a very useful block here. It is if this equals this. So it's generally used in an if clause. If this value equals this value. If this value equals this value. Say it with me. If this value on the left equals this value on the right. If this value, whatever. It's so cheesy and stupid. So we're going to have if level equals 1. We're going to set level to 1. Well, actually we don't need to do that, but then we're going to have a little note. Add comment. Is a if the level, if we are on level 1, then do this stuff. Okay. Okay, there, right there. Beautiful. So, we have that beautiful thing there. So, we want to have that. The reason I'm not doing anything yet, but like, so, if I had this here though, if, I'm gonna have, if level equals 2, and when, oh, shoot. So, we're gonna have to do some revising of this. So, some other things you want to do. So basically what this is saying right now is if the level is 1, then we have to do all the stuff within here. Next thing you want to do is if level equals 2. 2 is a great thing. So let's so we're gonna have we're gonna edit some stuff here. Stop all. Broadcast. Okay. When I receive game start, repeat until level equals 2. So I'm going to tell you what's going on exactly here. So right now what we're doing is we're just setting everything up so that we can do this for the next episode. So repeat until level equals 2. Wait until touching player. This is the objective, this is the player. Set level to 2. As soon as this happens, the level equals 2, this whole thing is going to stop. Dang. So we have, we're just going to check this out. So see if this works so far. Okay. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? Oh. See what happened there is, see this is the best thing, to learn from your mistakes. Set level to 1. Because what I had, I said here, if level equals 1, show. But level was not 1. The variable level was not equal to 1. Because I never had anything in this game saying, okay, when I start the game, say level 1. Say it's level 1, okay? So we have this here. So let's see if it works this time. Okay. So we have the intro sail and everything. See, it works now. So let's do this. So we can we can still go through our beautiful maze and stuff. Okay, see? So we got some fair stuff. We got some fair stuff. Okay. So essentially what we have here is we're having this thing here. So this is the movement stuff. So we're gonna have if level equals 1. So we're gonna have if level equals 1 for now. 1. No, that's not a number. That is not a number. Don't. Undelete. That was important. Okay. So this is a whole lot of setup. As you can see, there's just a little thing here. So what I want to happen. So if level equals 1. So we already have all these things going here. So for now, if level 1 equals 1, show switch to costume level 1. Because that's level 1. And switch to costume level 2 if the level is 2. So let's see if this entire thing works now. I'm just gonna keep moving. So he moves. And when I get further along in the series, it's gonna be a lot nicer because I'm gonna have physics, and then we can move a little bit faster. If level equals 2. Okay. So some of this clearly didn't work. Let's see what went wrong. So first, let's see, is level equal to 2? A level is equal to 2. Okay. So we want if level equals 2, switch to costume 2. Okay. Alright, fair enough. Okay. So far we have this here. And we want Maze to switch costumes, essentially. So, if level equals 1, switch to costume level 2. So, that's not working. So, maybe, let's make a new message, because messages are always helpful. When, player... Oh, we're gonna make a new message. I'm sorry, I'm still used to the old Scratch editor, which had, message level 1, level 2. Okay, so now we have this here. So we're gonna say when I receive level 2. If level equals 2, switch to level 2. Alright. So let's see if this works. So we're working this a little piece at a time. Little itty bitty steps. It's always good. So a big thing when you're making games, you always want to test out your projects. See? And it works. Okay. So that will be it for today. These guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. If it was helpful, please let me know. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to grow this channel. Please tell a friend who's trying to learn Scratch, etc. I'm happy to answer your questions and help out. So essentially, yeah. Bye guys. I mean, like, I really appreciate subscriptions. If you think I deserve a subscription, dude, I would love that. But if you don't, then that's fine too. So other than that, bye guys.